Ashgourd is a toxin magnet. That's why it is a great addition to a healthy diet. Seriously, this wonder fruit is also a really good source of health and goodness. Ashgourd is also called winter melon. Its origins are in South Asia. Taste-wise, it's a bit like cucumber. And like cucumber, it's mostly water. 96% to be precise. But still, it's high in fiber and other nutrients. Now here is a fun fact. The famous Agra ka Petha is actually made from this fruit. So, why should you have this fruit? First and foremost, Ashgourd juice is great for the body's detox. Oh, and all the waste from the body too. No wonder it's called the toxin magnet. No matter where a toxin is, its end is near with Ashgourd juice. Secondly, Ashgourd juice is also loaded with fiber and antioxidants, both of which protect the body from disease. And because it's so full of fiber, Ashgourd juice helps in another thing, in cleaning up the digestive system and to treat any digestive or bowel-related problems. Even famous designer Masaba Gupta is a big fan. Early this year, she had posted a story saying she breaks her morning fast with Ashgourd juice. Explaining why she does this, she wrote, "I am a Petha type. I keep asking myself this, are we uselessly chasing weight loss when we should actually be chasing an alkaline body? Ayurveda really pushes you to have an alkaline system, and it does wonders." Nutrition coach Ryan Fernando, who coaches celebs like Virat Kohli, Shikhar Dhawan, Anushka Sharma, also shares that Ashgourd juice is good for weight loss. Further, Ashgourd juice may be able to protect the body against stomach ulcers. Well, that's not all. It has also emerged that Ashgourd juice contains riboflavin, which might help manage oxidative nerve stress in some people, which could be able to control stress-related cravings as well, and forget weight loss. Ashgourd juice could also be useful for those who want to gain weight. Underweight people's metabolism could get a boost from this juice and could be effective for people with anorexia. You can buy Ashgourd juice in a packaged form, or you can even buy the real thing, the fruit Ashgourd. And by the way, it suits all pockets because 500 grams of Ashgourd comes roughly for about 20 rupees. Well, for more ways to detox your body, keep following this space. We will keep bringing you fresh, healthy content.